In October of 1975, two young entrepreneurs, Ken and Wes York, began a small business named K&W Construction Company. Their philosophy was to provide quality underground construction services, as well as surrounding themselves with successful people that had the same vision.
Started K&W, $250, with my brother, Kenny. He was K.
Wes and his brother started the company with my father's equipment, Lee Schick and Schick Construction.
Initially, K&W subcontracted waterline services in Odessa, Missouri.
It was just me and whoever I could get to come to work. We'd get up and leave the house at 5 in the morning to get there, to start at 7.
K&W expanded their services and signed a contract with Southwestern Bell Telephone Company to begin burying house services in Johnson County, Kansas. After 1 year, they moved locations to their first official office on Dennis Avenue in Olathe, Kansas. Business began to pick up, and in January 1977, Wes York and Lee Schick incorporated K&W Construction to K&W Underground, Inc. A big turning point in the history of K&W Underground was securing an agreement with Telecable of Overland Park in 1977. That turning point got K&W into doing what they specialize in to this day, while continuing to expand their services into mainline cable, splicing, aerial, overhead, and more.
We created better ways of doing it.
During the early 1980s, the company grew from 10 employees to over 40 employees, and primarily specialized in cable TV-related construction, cabling, and maintenance.
The cable television industry was relatively young at the time. They needed good quality contractors to be able to build their network.
K&W designed a C60 Chevy truck hydraulic cable lift to handle cable reels in 1983. This is one invention that made K&W very unique compared to other competitors and was also the example of their desire to be innovators. On October 27, 1986, with 45 employees, the company celebrated the opening of their new office at 15608 South Keeler Terrace, where they remain today. K&W Underground's history of innovation again was exemplified with their introduction of aeronautical RF leakage detection service, flyovers, in 1989 by the formation of Skytech. In 1990, K&W Underground Inc. formed a voice and data internal wiring division. With the formation of this division, K&W was able to offer to their customers what no other contractor in the area could: complete installation and maintenance of outside plant internal communications of voice, data, and video with copper, coax, and fiber. Later that year, K&W Underground Inc. was voted Contractor of the Year by the Kansas City Metro Area Utility Commission. In 1993, K&W bought their first directional drill from Straight Line Manufacturing in Wichita, Kansas. This revolutionized K&W and the services they provided. This process replaced trenchers, backhoes, and cable plows with a guided boring method for those areas of high restoration. In 1998, many changes were transforming for the company. Wes York left the company and Rex Schick took over presidency. Another change for the company was when K&W started doing fiber optic projects for multiple companies, both locally and long haul. A key project was for Williams Communications in Tulsa, Oklahoma, when K&W created a traveling crew to do the work.
In the years since the company celebrated their 40th year anniversary, K&W has been bigger and better than ever. They continue to be a driving force in industry involvement with regional and national level organizations. In 2016, K&W began to increase their brand awareness through social media accounts, updating their logos and branding materials, and publishing a new website. The team took K&W's 40-plus years reputation of being the go-to contractor for Midwest telecom construction and put that on paper. These events really took K&W to the next level. Along with that push, the K&W Underground Inc. name was trademarked in 2016, along with their slogan of "We dig your business." This rebranding proved to work with K&W's following and excellent customer reputation growing tremendously. Over the past few years, K&W has put a larger focus on employee culture. Since the founding in 1975, the importance of a company's culture has really evolved into today's modern age. K&W had to learn to adapt to these new ways and is excited about the changes we have made to enhance our team's culture on and off the job. In 2017, the team added to their newest service of subsurface utility engineering to their offerings that has allowed them to service other clients, including engineering firms as well as homeowners. 2019 was a big year of growth and transition for the company. In February, Reynold Eden, longtime minority owner of the company, retired after 33 years of service. In addition, Rex and Patty Schick, longtime majority owners, decided it was time for them to step down after 44 years of service and sell the company. Patty decided to retire, and Rex's title changed to Director of Business Development, where he will be focusing on the continued growth of K&W. Bill Reedy, Vice President, was promoted to the new company president.
My vision for the short term for K&W is to optimize for 2020. I think the opportunities are going to be huge. It's going to be a great moment for K&W. It's going to be an opportunity for our people. I'm just really excited.
2020 looks to be an exciting time for K&W and gives the opportunity to start new history for the company. Our commitment to our valued customers is stronger than ever, and K&W Underground Inc. has all its best days ahead.